Hi everyone, this is Chuck with Kovaction Dronography, and there's a little girl named She who's in a hospital in Boston in the cancer ward right now, and she's fighting really hard, and all she wants for Christmas is some Christmas cards and some nice things from us. So what I decided to do was my wife and I went through Lights on the Lake and Onondaga Lake Parkway and put together this little video for her because she can't go, so we thought we'd bring it to her. So I'll share the link in the video description, so please consider donating to her, and I hope you enjoy the video, and Merry Christmas to She and everyone else who's watching. Thanks. Alright, we're going into Lights on the Lake. It's our first time ever.
And it's very festive because there's snow. She's probably scolded at that.
Put your window down, leave it around. It's fun. It's fun for the whole family.
Oh, wait, it's gonna show on the camera.
Christmas, a time for miracles, wishing to find a remedy, hoping for better days to come. Memories of flickering shadows, cold nights, hearing the wind blows the snowflakes, reminds me of something gone. Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.